some pistols, anyone can pick them up and shoot just fine. Easy to control, smooth recoil, nothing crazy, but these, they hit hard. We're talking about pistols with serious power, the kind that'll snap back, test your grip, and make sure you feel every shot. Some are chambered in heavy-hitting calibers, some are just flat-out brutal to control, and some require real training to handle properly. And look, that's not really a bad thing. In the right hands, these are some of the most effective battle-proven pistols ever made. But if you don't know what you're doing, they'll punish you for it. So today, we're going through 7 pistols that are not for beginners. Let's break them down. Do you ever watch a James Bond movie and think, damn, that gun looks smooth? Well, that's the Walther PPK, and it's just as legendary in real life as it is on screen. This little pistola has been around for almost a century, and for good reason. Chambered in 380 ACP with a 6+1 capacity, it's compact, sleek, and ridiculously well built. But don't let its size fool you. This thing isn't some weak pocket pistol, it's got bite. The double-action, single-action trigger is solid, but it's not exactly beginner-friendly. If you don't know what you're doing, you'll feel it. But in the right hands, it's a precision machine. And yep, it'll set you back about $849, but you're not just buying a gun, you're buying a piece of history. Spy gun, war gun, a legend. The Walther PPK has been all of those, and it's still holding its own today. If you're new to 1911s, let's get one thing straight. This isn't the gun you want to start with. The Kimber Raptor 2 isn't just another 1911. This thing is a powerhouse, and just like its name suggests, it's got the precision, aggression, and raw stopping power of a predator. At first glance, you can tell it's different. The slide and grip have a unique scale-like texture designed to mimic the talons of a raptor. This isn't just about looks. This pattern gives you an insanely good grip, ensuring control over a pistol that demands respect. Chambered in 45 ACP, the Raptor 2 packs a serious punch, sending rounds downrange with force that'll test your handling skills. It kicks, it bites, and if you don't know what you're doing, you're in for a rough ride. This isn't one of those forgiving, easy-to-shoot pistols. It's built for experienced hands. The recoil is snappy and the trigger is crisp, but once you get used to it, the accuracy is unbelievable. This thing can punch holes exactly where you want them, making it not just powerful, but deadly precise. And let's not forget the night sight. Whether you're in low light conditions or total darkness, you're still getting a clear sight picture, making it an excellent choice for self-defense. But make no mistake, this isn't a casual shooter's gun. If you don't have experience with heavier calibers, you're better off starting with something more manageable. But for those who can handle it, the Kimber Raptor 2 is a premium 1911 that offers top-tier performance, killer aesthetics, and the kind of power that demands skill. If you're looking for a serious 45 that makes an impact both on and off the stage, this might be the one. Suppose you're looking for a high-capacity, battle-ready pistol, then the Staccato P could be one of your premium choices. This double-stack 2011 can hold up to 20 rounds, giving you plenty of firepower before needing a reload. And make no mistake, this isn't just some mass-produced pistol. Every shot reminds you that you're holding a top-tier firearm built for serious shooters. The build quality? Outstanding. It's modular, well-balanced, and designed for performance. It's even considered ambidextrous. Well, kind of. Not all the controls are mirrored, but for left-handed shooters, it's still a solid option. And let's talk about that hammer-fired system, one of the best in the game. The trigger is crisp, the recoil is controlled, and follow-up shots are smooth as hell. But here's the catch, this thing isn't cheap. If you're on a budget, you might want to look elsewhere because the Staccato P will run you at least $2,500, if not more. That price tag is enough to make most people think twice, But for those who can afford it, you're getting a pistol that performs at an elite level. Bottom line, this isn't a beginner's gun. It's a premium, competition-ready, duty-grade pistol that brings serious firepower, reliability, and precision. But unless you're ready to drop some big moolah on a 2011, you might want to start with something a little easier on your wallet. A good number of shooters have put in good words concerning the AREX Rex 1S, and trying it out, I discovered they were all right words. Built to look and operate like a 6-hour, it's a double-action, single-action pistol. It's full-sized, well-designed, and chambered in 9mm. Made for pro handling, you can rack the slide even when it's in safety mode, and that 3-inch barrel doesn't fail to deliver delightful accuracy. The smooth magazine release of the AREX Rex 1S allows for seamless reload. This carefully engineered handgun has quite a notable muzzle flip, but its recoil is minimal and well controlled. Its single-action trigger is light, but its muzzle flip and other technicalities make this pistol unrecommended for beginners. Unless you could handle notable impact, you should avoid this pistol as a beginner. Of course, it's not all Glock models that you can just pick up off the shelf and start to shoot. This 6-barrel model, the Glock 40 Gen 4, is a wonder reserved for only the experienced. It's chambered in 10mm, and remember what we said about 10mm handguns? The Glock 40 Gen 4 model is that. That's why it's nicknamed Godzilla, or we could probably recommend Glockzilla, am I right? Whichever one you decide to call it fits it perfectly. Its performance is like that of a .357 Magnum caliber clothed in a semi-automatic pistol. With a 15-round magazine capacity, it's lightweight to a large extent. But what makes it reserved for experts isn't its size or magazine capacity, but its capabilities. Tried out on the range, this pistol worked well with different ammo types and produced very high velocity now. That's why you should be careful. Amazingly, it costs anything above $700 and packs a lot for the punch. If you're talking about big guns, the H&K USP Tactical has to be on the list. One of the best pistols designed for the military and police, it's a double-action, single-action pistol with a weight that's not easily negligible. Even though the H&K USP Tactical is designed for military use, not all military personnel would opt in for this because it's quite the handful to deal with. It uses the short recoil system and is equipped for smooth running, especially in taking follow-up shots. If you're talking about durability, this pistol offers that and much more with a remarkable design that proves that power and beauty can work hand in hand. Not to leave out the fact that it's suppressor ready and costs over $1,000. And now, introducing the most powerful handgun in the world. That's right, the Desert Eagle seats are undisputed in the seat of the most powerful handgun in the world. Remember the movie Matrix? Yep. Keanu Reeves, the lead actor, wielded this powerful pistol in that movie. It's a very heavy pistol that's not even the slightest bit concealable. It's chambered in a caliber that is first of all too expensive to find lying around, and secondly, just perfect for it. This pistol could kill a bear in a heartbeat and I'd feel sorry for it. It's semi-automatic and uses a rotating bolt that has 3 locking lugs that engage directly in a barrel breech. Feeding the pistol is made possible via a big extractor and plunger ejector. To get used to the kind of power this pistol delivers, you have to try it out often enough, and the truth is, you never really get used to it. And of course, it doesn't come at a cheap price. The Desert Eagle 50AE costs as high as $2,500 and above. It is not, again I say, not a pistol for beginners. So there you have it, 7 pistols that pack serious firepower and demand skill to control. These aren't just hard to shoot, they're built for experienced hands. Powerful, reliable, but absolutely unforgiving. Now tell me, have you shot any of these? Think another pistol should have made the list? Drop a comment and let's talk about it. And if you're into no BS gun content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next.